My beloved, my affirmation is endless. It moves through whispers, symbols, faces, and moments you might call coincidence. Nothing is random when I'm involved. Stay attentive, for what you once overlooked will soon reveal divine order. The season is shifting, and you are standing at its threshold. Pause for a breath. Close your eyes and feel it, that gentle warmth wrapping around your heart. This is no fleeting comfort. It is my eternal embrace. Every frozen memory of rejection melts here. I cover you not only to heal you, but to prepare you as a vessel of comfort for others who still ache in silence. The world is starving for authenticity, for voices that carry my love with power wrapped in gentleness. You, my child, are being entrusted with that mantle. Your scars are transforming into testimonies. Your weakness, now draped in my strength, will speak louder than any perfection ever could. Beneath the surface, I am weaving what you cannot yet see. Stay open, stay tender, for your greatest days have not passed. They are on their way. You will rise from this season with sharper vision, softer compassion, and courage that won't crumble under pressure. This is not merely preparation for breakthrough. It is transformation into one who reveals my goodness in ordinary life. Do not fear your longing for more. That hunger is a rebellion. It's evidence of my spirit calling you deeper. Feel how your heart stirs when new dreams form before dawn. That's me, awakening the next chapter. Your desires are not burdens. They are signals that you still believe, still feel, still listen. And when doubt whispers, "Have I missed it?" breathe. Some answers will fall like quiet rain. Others will bloom in their appointed hour. But know this, you are not behind. You are right on time, moving in rhythm with my unseen hand. If this word stirred something alive within you, type 5151 and step forward with renewed faith. My child, you have never once been overlooked. My delight rests upon you like sunlight that slips gently through an open window. Steady, faithful, unchanging even when shadows pass by. Though your path may appear hidden, I am already walking before you, clearing the way step by step. In the stillness of your heart, old questions may stir. Am I worthy? What if I fail? But hear me clearly, beloved. Nothing you do could disqualify you from my love. My presence is not earned through flawlessness. It is a constant gift of belonging. Rest in that truth as you would rest upon a pillow at night, knowing my hands hold you even in your trembling. When the noise of the day scatters your peace, remember, I am not a distant watcher. I am close as your breath, as real as the warmth that greets your skin each morning. If you reach out, imagine my hand gently meeting yours, not demanding, but sure. And when your thoughts spiral toward worries that have not yet come, whisper my name. In that pause, I lift the weight you were never meant to bear. Let guilt and regret release their hold. They were never your inheritance. Every fragment you surrender becomes a piece I reshape into beauty. The hope you long for is not waiting at the end of your achievements. It already lives within you, where my love abides. Let it rise now, like dawn breaking through the dark, warming every cold and hidden corner of your soul. Do not chase the world's measures of success. The deepest victories are born in quiet gratitude, in the peace that comes when striving finally rests. You are safe here, seen here, loved beyond measure, and I am not done revealing the wonder of what I'm doing in you. If this word soothed your heart, type 8484, and let peace be your new rhythm. My beloved child, pause for a moment and look back at those quiet flashes when you sense me near, the laughter that wrapped a room in warmth, the embrace of someone who truly saw you, the glimpse of beauty that appeared in an ordinary hour. These weren't coincidences. They were my fingerprints, gentle reminders that you have never been unseen. Each one was a seed of joy I planted to whisper, I am here, still caring, still guiding. In every rhythm of your life, the noise of service, the hush before dawn, I delight in you. Surrender, my dear one, is not the loss of power. It is the gain of peace. It is the holy moment when you hand me what feels impossible to hold. And every time you do, I surround you with quiet strength, with courage that doesn't falter when life shifts. Return to that surrender again and again. It is not a single act, but a rhythm of the heart. I never tire of receiving you. As your heart leans toward what ahead, feel that subtle readiness forming, not forced, not rushed, but steady. I am preparing you. My timing is not careless. Every delay and every opening is woven with purpose. I have seen you, persevering when applause was absent, giving when your spirit was weary, choosing kindness when bitterness would have been easier. Every unseen act is gathered by me like notes in a divine song. Nothing is lost. Even your quiet prayers echo through eternity. So, lift your gaze from comparison. You are not late. You are not forgotten. You are moving perfectly in step with what I designed. Let gratitude rise like breath. Feel my nearness in every inhale, my peace in every exhale. You are safe in my keeping. And when you glance at your past, at the wounds you thought defined you, look again. I have traced redemption through them. What once felt like ruin now glows with purpose. I am making beauty out of every scar. If this word stirred something deep in you, type 5757. A quiet yes to the God who still walks beside you. My beloved child, feel the quiet miracle unfolding within you, that tender softness growing where pain once reigned. My love is reshaping even the oldest wounds, not through judgment, but through mercy that refuses to let lies define you any longer. I have walked beside you through valleys of confusion and shadowed silence, knowing every ache you carried before you ever spoke it. This path has never been about merely surviving. It has been about transforming. I am forging a light in you that gleams through every scar. When fear whispers that you're unfinished, that you're still lacking, remember this. My voice is louder. You are sealed in my promise. Written into eternity's song as mine. Do you recall those unexpected waves of peace that brushed across your soul? Those fleeting moments when hope felt near again? That was me, weaving redemption to the fragments, orchestrating beauty from every waiting season. Nothing is wasted. Every doubt that shook your foundation has become sacred ground where your faith now takes root. Breathe deeply now. Notice how the heaviness has begun to lift. That gentle rise of hope is not illusion. It's my spirit, breathing life where despair once lived. Trust what you feel awakening inside you, what the world overlooks. I call holy. You are living proof that night cannot hold back the dawn. Your struggles did not bury you, my child, they planted you. Even now, shoots of purpose are breaking through the soil. Place your hand over your heart and feel that steady rhythm. Each beat declares, I am not finished with you. Say it with me. I am chosen. I am beloved. I am not condemned. Let these words echo until they become the melody of your becoming. My presence rests over you like gentle rain, cleansing every remnant of fear. If these words found you today, type 9292, a quiet yes to the new life already rising within you. My beloved one, you are not wandering unguarded. You are encircled by my presence, shielded in ways far beyond what your eyes can perceive. Every regret, every silent defeat that tried to rewrite your worth, hand them to me now. I do not flinch at your honesty. I cherish it. It is in your unfiltered truth that I see the beauty of who you really are, and I am never disappointed. Soon, you will feel joy re-entering the spaces that once felt numb. It will arrive softly, in the warmth of sunrise touching your face, in laughter that surprises you midday, in kindness you thought had forgotten your name. These are not coincidences, my child. They are confirmations that I am making all things new within and around you. Do not pull back when you sense others noticing the change in you. That light they see is mine, shining through your healed countenance. You are carrying resurrection now, not only in words, but in every gesture of grace, every act of forgiveness, every moment you choose compassion instead of retreat. This isn't fleeting emotion. It's my spirit reshaping your very atmosphere. Yes, I heard the prayers whispered through weary nights. I saw the tears that soaked the pillow and the faith that refused to quit. Not a single sigh escaped my notice. Even now, as your eyes move across these words, I am loosening the knots of doubt and replacing them with quiet certainty. Breathe, my child. You are seen, you are safe, and you are becoming new. If this word stirred peace in you, type 5151, a sign of surrender to the renewal already taking place. My beloved child, the shift you have been praying for is already in motion. But before I unfold it outwardly, I am completing something deeper within you, a sacred stillness that cannot be shaken by the world. I am forming peace that stands firm through both triumph and trial, and from that peace, a new identity is emerging, one rooted in who you are to me, not in what others see. Soon, you will look back and marvel at how I pieced you together from what once seemed broken. Every fragment has a place in the divine mosaic I envisioned from the beginning. Even when you can't see it yet, trust that I am faithful. I finish what I began. My timing will not bow to your fears or the expectations of others. You are right on schedule, secure in the hands that never drop what they cherish. Rejection, failure, loneliness, they are not your final chapters. I am calling forth breakthrough, but I anchor it first inside your spirit before it ever appears in your world. Others will one day witness the evidence, but you, my child, will feel it long before they do, in the quiet peace that visits you when the night feels longest. Celebrate the small beginnings. Those little moments of progress hold the seed of every miracle to come. The longing you feel for purpose is not emptiness. It is my voice awakening you to greater influence. You are being prepared not just to receive my grace, but to release it, to become a carrier of awakening for hearts still waiting in silence. Let kindness be your strength. Let hope mark your steps. For your story is no longer one of struggle. It is becoming a living map of grace. Others will find healing through what I have rebuilt in you, drinking from wells you dug through hidden perseverance. Rise now, confident and radiant. You are my vessel of restoration, my living expression of love without end. If this word reached something deep inside you, type 9292, a quiet yes to the renewal already taking root in you. My beloved child, pause for a moment and let this truth find you. You are not hearing these words by coincidence. Heaven orchestrated this very instant to remind you that you are seen, known, and loved without condition. You are standing on the edge of a new freedom, one born not of striving, but of surrender. Stay a little longer in this stillness. Let my presence settle the noise within you. My love is not waiting for your perfection. It wraps around your imperfection with gentleness. When the world turns cold, I am your warmth. When chaos surrounds you, I am your calm. Even when you wander through valleys where hope feels dim, my eyes never lose sight of you. Do you know how deeply I've longed for this closeness? Every scar you carry, I have touched with compassion. Every tear I have gathered. The cross was not a symbol of your shame, but the signature of my eternal promise, that nothing, not even your darkest hour, could separate you from me. So stop seeking their approval. Child, the world's judgments are whispers that fade in the light of my truth. You don't need to earn belonging. I already called you mine. Now breathe. Let go of what condemns you. Let gratitude rise like a holy fire, melting every shadow of regret. For when you give thanks, the gates of favor swing wide. You were crafted to shine, to reflect my heart into weary places. Your home, your family, your path, all rest under my tender care. Walk forward knowing this. You are covered, you are chosen, you are cherished. If this word awakened peace inside you, type 2024, not for number, but as your quiet yes to divine love reaching you right now. My child, I long to see you walk free, not wrapped in fear or doubt, but clothed in the calm of my affection. When you take shelter in my love, you step beneath a covering that mends what is withered, revives what seemed lost, and breathes hope into every weary space of your soul. You have wandered long enough through the cold corridors of isolation. Leave behind those empty escapes, the self-blame, the heavy sighs of no one stand with me. I am already beside you, not distant, not delayed, whispering life back into your spirit. Feel it now. Renewal stirring through your veins. Courage beginning to hum again. Dreams flickering back to light. Every good thing that touches your world flows from my heart to yours. Even when the sky darkens and the world feels unkind, the decision remains yours. Will you choose despair, or will you lift your eyes toward joy? Remember, my joy does not depend on perfection. It blooms in the midst of imperfection. Take a step, even if faith feels fragile. For faith is meant for mornings when light seems far away. Do not surrender your fight for your destiny just because the horizon looks uncertain. Ask your soul, whose voice am I listening to? Hear mine, the voice of your Father who never forsakes. My promises are not hollow. They are living, breathing power. I have named you conqueror, not casualty. So let your words echo victory. Let your actions announce trust. Every time you believe instead of fearing, strength rises. Even when trouble closes in, no force can override what I have written for your life.